windrows can greatly increase the efficiency of forage harvesters, allowing higher capacity and a more uniform product. That is, if it's a windrow merger by H&S Manufacturing, the one that does it best. H&S provides a complete line of windrow mergers, including the M1 merger, Hydra swing merger, and the commercial-grade twin merger. Whether in hay, rye, alfalfa, or other mergeable crop, the twin merger will quickly and efficiently combine rows spaced from 12 feet to 21 feet apart, or any combination thereof. The twin merger combines two pickup units in one frame, doubling the merger capacity. This provides the flexibility to combine 2, 3, 4, or even 5 windrows into one, depending upon crop conditions. Each pickup is individually adjustable over a 30-inch span to accommodate a variety of windrow spacings. Crop is discharged to the right, to the left, or both directions at the same time. It is the most versatile machine on the market. In a single pass, 4 windrows can be combined into 2 by going out both directions. 3 rows can be combined into 1, come back and add 2 more, and 5 have been merged into 1. Pick 2 rows and add to a 3rd row. Then pick that and the next row and 4 have been combined. Plus, all have been moved to dry ground. It's this type of versatility that puts the twin merger in a class of its own. The options are almost limitless with a merging width of 33 feet 8 inches. Add the optional accelerator and additional width and height can be obtained. The crop can be highly concentrated or spread wider to accommodate the chopper head design for maximum efficiency. In either case, material is spread evenly and consistently, so the full head width of the chopper can be utilized, increasing productivity. Because the crop is picked up and carried instead of raked across the ground, trash and debris are eliminated, making clean windrows ideal for chopping. There are no troublesome surge piles as the H&S Merger's free-flow design provides a smooth, even bed of material. Power is supplied by a self-contained electric over-hydraulic system with dual high-capacity coolers and tractor-mounted PTO pump. The H&S Twin Merger features an exclusive combination of drawbar extension and hydraulic pump system. This system mounts securely to the tractor drawbar and allows for a tighter turning radius while eliminating sharp PTO angles. The 1000 RPM pump has a high pressure rating and cast iron center for increased efficiency and reliability. A bearing protects the pump from excessive end thrust. The pump drives the pickup heads and the cross conveyor. Each side is plumbed in series and operates independently, controlling the speed of the pickups and cross conveyors. Tractor hydraulics are used to raise and lower the pickups as well as swing the units into the travel position. A 50-gallon oil reservoir is built into the tongue. However, the tongue weight is only 800 pounds, which allows it to be towed behind a pickup for travel. A 100 horsepower or greater tractor is recommended to operate the twin merger. The tricycle design of the twin merger allows for easy maneuverability and smooth flotation over uneven terrain. A load leveler system transfers weight off the tricycle wheels to the rear caster wheels and tongue. The load leveler system automatically engages when the PTO engages. Hydraulic pressure is used to evenly distribute some front tire load to the rear wheels and hitch. This results in smoother field operation and allows the twin merger to float across the fields in wet conditions, thus virtually eliminating tire marks. The exclusive load leveler system provides clean crop pickup and higher productivity. Multi-directional skid plates mounted on the leading corners will keep the corners from digging in when in rough terrain. Each pickup head floats independently, providing a clean pickup even on uneven terrain. Head height may be adjusted to change the distance of the pickup teeth from the ground to accommodate different stubble lengths and conditions. Adjustment is a simple pin removal and replace on each side. The pickup unit is a full 9 feet wide to easily accommodate any normal windrow width. Crop is picked up by a series of plastic teeth that are attached in sets to the heavy-duty belt. They slide underneath the crop, gently lift it up, and place it on the belt and carry it to the cross conveyor. H&S utilizes a uniquely designed tooth set that easily withstands the aggressive pickup action without breaking, deforming, or losing shape. The design assures maximum life and continuous pickup ability. If a tooth should break or get damaged, replacement is easy as they are all securely bolted onto the belt. Being plastic, they will not cause problems with other equipment if broken off. The pickup belt is made up of 6 3-foot sections which provide a strong, stable base for the material to ride on. It's the utilization of these narrower belt sections to make up the wide pickup assembly that allows greater flexibility with less maintenance. As material moves over the low-angle belt, the floating crop guard keeps the material in place as it moves up the pickup belt. The extended wind deflector sits well ahead of the crop flow, assuring the crop is kept on the pickup belt and is adjustable to meet varying load conditions. Power is provided by a shaft-mounted direct-drive hydraulic motor, which turns the drive shaft at the designated speed. With the direct drive, if the shaft vibrates a little, the motor moves with it, which takes all the stress off the motor, providing less maintenance and longer motor life. Driven rollers are located on the drive shaft, which furnish edge support as well as driving power. Additional belt edge support is provided by riding rails built into the frame. A belt tightener is provided on the driven shaft to compensate for wear and belt stretching. The whole pickup assembly then pivots from a single point when raising and lowering so that all components are kept in the same position, eliminating any danger of misalignment. During operation, the low pickup angle keeps the leading edge close to the ground so the teeth can gather up the crop. The teeth are staggered in such a manner that there are no gaps for the crop to slip through and be missed. The staggered tooth arrangement also makes sure the crop is cleanly ejected onto the cross conveyor. The extra-wide 54-inch cross conveyor easily accommodates the massive flow, and the extra-high backsplash contains the load, minimizing blowing or spillage. The cross conveyor then discharges the crop to the windrow. Since the crop is lifted and moved in an orderly fashion, it remains consistent without tangling or bunching up. Crop can be sent to either the right or left side of the merger for discharge. It may be combined with the other side or sent independently. The conveyor belt is made of heavy-duty belting for long life and ribbed to aid the material flow. It also utilizes adjustable spring tighteners on the pillow block bearings, which automatically compensate for belt stretch so proper alignment is always maintained. Patented anti-wrap guards are also used to prevent material from wrapping around the shaft and damaging the bearings. An optional accelerator is available, which acts as an extension to the conveyor. As it spins, it gently tosses the crop material away from the conveyor, thus increasing the discharge distance up to a couple of feet. The accelerator is chain-driven from the conveyor shaft and can be added at any time. This is an extremely useful accessory and can be used to place material on top of larger windrows. The large dual wheels in the center are always in alignment with the pole as the front stabilizer. The rear wheels support the outer frame spanning each direction from the center. This simple tricycle mounting provides extremely stable operation while providing the flexibility to maneuver over even rough terrain. A pole locking valve prevents the unit from drifting for precise operation. Since each side operates independently, one side can be lifted so only one pickup unit is operating. Separate cab-mounted joystick controls allow the operator to raise or lower each pickup separately and adjust the width spacing of the individual pickups. The electric over-hydraulic system moves the pickups up to 30 inches on each side for efficient windrow picking. It's done the easy way, hydraulically, and can be adjusted while on the move. The twin merger is wired for standard tractored plug-in and features a complete set of tail and running lights. As one would expect on a commercial unit that regularly works into the night, work lights are included which shine on the pickup and cross conveyor for operator convenience. When the job is done, the twin merger simply pivots around the pole, aligning itself for travel down the road. This neat 12 feet 7-inch wide package easily fits through field gates and is under 40 feet long. A standard hitch with only 800-pound pole weight in the transport position allows it to be tractor or pickup towed. The H&S twin merger is a proven performer that greatly increases the efficiency of forage harvesters, allowing higher capacity and a more uniform product. Whether it's an M1 merger, Hydra swing merger, or the high-capacity tough job twin merger, it's obvious why the H&S windrow mergers are the ones that crop handlers are looking to. To find out more about the complete line of windrow mergers or any of the quality H&S products, contact your local H&S dealer or H&S Manufacturing in Marshfield, Wisconsin.